welcome everybody to Let's Get Skilled Academy. This is another video of our YouTube clone build series, and in this video we're going to be focusing on styling our navigation bar with CSS. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So yeah guys, in this video we will be doing the styling of our navigation and our paper items. So let's get into it. We can head over to the Replit platform, and what we can do is we can press start to run our server, and then just pop it to a new tab, and now we can close our web view and head to our style.css file. And let me hide this as well. Super. So now we can start styling our navigation. So let's say nav, open and close curly braces. Let's give it the width of 224 pixels and the height of 90 view height, and overflow. This is now for the scrolling. Overflow Y, we're just gonna say scroll to give us this effect here, the scrolling effect here, and we can say scroll behavior, to smooth. And now we can style our guide. So we want this border at the bottom and give some padding and to the guide. So let's give it the width of 216 pixels and a padding of 12 pixels. And to get that border at the bottom, we're gonna give it 1 pixel solid and light gray. Okay, so that's nice. Let's press save. Go over to, wow, it's actually showing and we are actually getting there. And as you guys can see, we have a scrolling effect and we have a overflow X, which we don't want. Sorry, which we don't want. So we can head over to our nav bar and we're just gonna say overflow X hidden to a hide. Yes, there we go. Super. So now we can style the paper item. So it is YT paper item. Let's give it a width of 204 pixels, and let's give it the padding. Yeah, let's give it a padding of 12 pixels. Let's scroll up and in font size 14 pixels, and then let's give it a height of 40 pixels, and we can say display flicks and align items to center. Or if we press save, go over to our clone, and as you guys can see, it's actually um, displaying what we want. But now what we can do is we can create style the paper item text. So let's head over to our style.css and say YT paper. What we can actually do is we can put a margin on the right and just to push the text to the side. Yes. So we're gonna say icon, opening close curly braces, and then margin to the right. And we're gonna give it 25 pixels. Okay, save. See what is actually happening. Super, and it's actually now displaying as we want it to. So yeah, guys, and that is it for our video. We will be creating this iron selector here, and yeah, this iron selector and the styling of the iron selector. So yeah, guys, after styling our navigation bar, in the next video we're gonna be focusing on writing the markup and the styling for our iron selector. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and if you want to go to a certain section in our YouTube clone bold series, you can press on the playlist.